This is the best online post-production course for the beginner photographer. I'm going to share with you the basic tools I use every day when I create my landscapes, portraits, and lifestyle images. In fact, you're going to be able to improve your images immediately by applying these basic principles to your post-production. This course uses 2 different post-production programs to help you reach your photography goals faster. I teach how to create 4 different photos in this course. I share with you how to create a landscape and make it pop. I'll show you the basic tools you'll use over and over to create your images. You'll learn how to dodge and burn and create vignettes. I'll also show you step by step how to create a pano in Photoshop. And in my last lesson, you'll learn the best and fastest way to airbrush a portrait. This alone can change your photography. This course can save you years of frustration in creating amazing images. Remember, photography is 50% shooting and 50% post-production. Improve your photography now. Allow me to show you a few tricks I've learned over the past 41 years. Order now, you'll be glad you did.